Good afternoon, students. We are discussing Unit 2, equilibrium of rigid body in 2 dimensions. Last classes, we are analyzing or we are solving various problems by using the equilibrium equations or support reaction concepts. Today also, we are going to solve, we are going to discuss some more problems on support reactions. So always remember this one. When a roller support is given, there is only one vertical reaction. When pin support or hinge support given, this is shape. Whenever the shape given, you have to think whether it's a vertical reaction or horizontal reaction or horizontal and vertical. So when pin joint is given, horizontal and vertical reaction. Fixed support, horizontal, vertical and moment. Simply support, only one vertical reaction. The reactions directions. Then load. Always discuss about load. When point load is acting, it is you can solve the problems. No need to convert anything. Suppose the UDL given, you convert point load by considering rectangular area, the length into height, then point load where it is acting in the middle of the rectangular. That is L by 2 L by distance. Then we uniform varying load acting, consider triangle area off into base into height. Then locate where it is acting, like this given or like this given, convert point load off into W into L, where it is acting, whether L by 3 or 2 L by 3, based on the orientation of the triangle, orientation of the uniform varying load. When given like this one, the central point load is acting at the middle, that is 2 L by 3 from left, L by 3 from right. Suppose this uniform varying load given, where it is load is acting from left, this L by 3, from right 2 L by 3. You should remember always this one. Now we are solving the problem. Class rep, can you read the question now?
Yes, sir. Figure shows as beam ABCD simply supported on a hinged support at A and at D on a roller support inclined at 45 degree with the vertical. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at support A. Show clearly the direction as well as the magnitude of the resultant reaction at A.
Again, read the question.
Yes, sir. The figure shows as beam ABCD simply supported on a hinged support at A and at D on a roller support inclined at 45 degree with the vertical. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at support A. Show clearly the direction as well as the magnitude of the resultant reaction at A.
See, at A they mentioned hinged support. See the shape, the 8 support. Hinged support having 2 reactions. The roller support having only one reaction, but it's a roller inclined. They given 45 degree with SP vertical. And one point load acting at the C point, 6 km acting on point load. What is this B point? Anyone tell me? What is the one arrow mark? You know, circular arrow mark. 9 km. What is the meaning? What is the name for that? 9 km. What is the name? On rotation shape given, no? Kavi, what is 9 kN? Asaj, say only one point load is acting, 6 kN. What is another thing? 9 kN. Rotating clockwise. Class rep. Class rep.
So,
What is 9 kilonewton meter?
I think so. Fixed support.
Not support. This whenever like this given, this called couple moment. This name is couple moment. See the unit, kilonewton meter. Moment no. It's rotating clockwise. This called a couple moment. Students, any rotation or like this gun, this name is a couple moment. This is simply support, but a support is called a hinged support. So hinged support means two reactions. They mention the question under roller support at B, but is inclined with respect to vertical 45 degree. So roller support is having only one vertical reaction. This is the first point. The previous problems they given arrow mark at simply support A. Now this is the support name given. Hinged support. So one point load is acting. This 9 kilonewton meter means couple moment. So whenever given this like this, while considering moment only you can consider. For adding force no need consider. See the unit 9 kilonewton meter. While taking moment only you can consider. Okay. So 3 meter distance. AB 3 meter, BC 3 meter, CD 3 meter. What they asked? Determine the horizontal and vertical components reaction A. Because A means hinged support, no, there were two reaction, RAX, RAY. And also direction as well as the magnitude of the resultant reaction. You have to calculate RA also. So when in engineering, in first unit we discussed no resultant. Like that you have to calculate first RAX, RAY, then resultant reaction RA. They asked. This is the next diagram. So our aim is to find a reaction at A and D, not B, is a D. Okay. So you see why I have put a two reaction RAX, RAY, because they mentioned hinged support. Simply support and hinged support at A. Hinged means two reaction. Students recollected. Hinged means two reaction here. Hinged support. See here, third diagram. RA, there is RY, RX. Here A point no, that's why I have written RAX, RAY. Hinged support. Then the roller is inclined, already given 40 degree vertical. So roller means only one reaction. You see the arrow mark goes to RD. The angle with the vertical 45 degree. Okay. See here. So RD 45. Therefore, I can resolve RD cos 45 because theta is y axis. See here, 45 is y axis. I told you any axis the force is lying with which axis? That axis is having cos. So here RD is lying with the y axis. Therefore, RD cos 45. RD goes to which quadrant? See the RD goes to which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant means x minus y plus. So see y RD cos 45 plus y direction. RD sin 45 minus x direction. You see the arrow mark. Arrow mark represents minus or plus. Here RD sin 45 left side minus x direction. So they given diagram like this. This A support is hinged support. See hinged support is having two reactions. So I converted, replaced the support, replaced the reactions. See here RAX, RAY. And the roller is inclined with respect to vertical. Roller means only one support, one reaction. Roller having here, roller support. See here, roller. Okay. So it's inclined roller, the 45 degree already given. So I resolved in two direction. RD cos 45, RD sin 45. Okay. We resolved. So this is a rigid body, no? We have equilibrium equations. Equilibrium equations for coplanar non-concurrent force system or equilibrium of rigid body in two dimensions. Summation of H or summation of Fx, that is adding all horizontal force must be zero, equal to zero. Summation of V or summation of Fy, adding all vertical forces in y direction must be equal to zero. And the summation of M, net moment with respect to any point must be zero. Then only we can say the given rigid body is in equilibrium. Here we want to calculate unknown value RAX, RAY. Therefore, I assumed this given beam, the given beam is in equilibrium. Therefore, summation of H is equal to 0 I have taken, summation V equal to 0 I have taken, summation M equal to 0. Now I am using first equation, summation of H. You see the picture. What are the horizontal forces? RAX. Students, RAX goes to the plus x direction. RD sine 45 minus x direction. So only two forces. So equal to 0. Therefore, see here. Summation H or summation Fx 0. Here, no, not horizontal force. Horizontal force acting. Horizontal force acting. Students, there is a yes horizontal force. No, not no. Is yes horizontal force acting. Therefore, RAX minus RD sine 45 equal to 0. See the diagram? RAX minus RD sine 45 equal to 0. Therefore, here two unknown, RAX and RD. So we can't solve this equation. Therefore, I have made this equation naming equation 1. Now equation 2, summation of V, adding vertical forces. We are seeing vertical forces. What are vertical forces? RAY goes to the plus Y direction. Then RD cos 45 goes to plus Y direction. 6 kilonewton, vertical downward direction. Students, is a couple moment. While taking moment only, you can consider the 9 kilonewton now. While taking moment only, consider. We are adding force now. Therefore, RAY plus RD cos 45 minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, I am taking the minus 6 the right side. Therefore, RAY plus RD cos 45 equal to 6. Here also two unknown. RAY we do not know. RD we do not know. So I am keeping this equation name as equation 2. Which one is third equation? Equilibrium equation, summation of M equal to 0. M means moment. Summation of taking moment with respect to reference point. Students, I told you for this problem, where the support is there, that support takes as a reference point. Here A is the support here. A and D also support. So I'm choosing A, always starting point A. Support here, A is the support. Therefore, summation of A equal to 0. I have written the summation of M equal to 0. So I'm taking reference point A. So I'm in the equation, I am rewriting summation of M A equal to 0. That is, moment with respect to A must be 0. Now see the diagram. I told before going to take moment, you have to identify which force do not give moment, which force gives moment. So here, which forces do not give moment? I am taking reference point A. So at A, see here, any force comes to the A or goes from A. See here, A point, there is RAX acting and RAY acting. So these two forces don't give moment. RAX, because we have chosen A is a reference point. At reference point, you see any force comes to A or goes from A. See here, RA is acting at A. RA, Y acting at A. So these two forces do not give moment. Then see RD sine 45. Students, see here, RD sine 45. You see the arrow mark. The arrow mark goes to which direction? This arrow mark goes to directly A. Therefore, the RD sine 45 does not give moment. RD sine 45 does not give moment. So here totally 3 forces do not give moment. Why? These 3 forces goes to A, are acting at A, or A goes from A, or comes to A. See here, RAX comes to A, RAY acting at A, does not give moment. Similarly, RD acting here, but see the line of action. See the line of action. It goes to the at A. So RD sine 45 does not give moment. Students, mind it, while taking moment, you have to identify which forces are giving moment, which forces are not giving moment, based on the reference point. Here I have chosen reference point A. Therefore, at A point, there are 3 forces coming to A. RD sine 45 is comes to A, and the RAX acting at A, RAY acting. So 3 forces does not give moment. So what are the other forces give moment? See here, RD cos 45, RD cos 45 with respect to A, how much distance? 3, 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So there is two moment, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So the RD cos 5 is rotating anti-clockwise, turning. So I put minus RD cos 45 into 9. So A is the reference point, no? So A is the reference with respect to A taking moment. So from A to RD cos 45, 9 meter. Therefore, minus, why I minus? This is anti-clockwise. RD cos 49. Then come to 6. See the C point. The 6 is, what is a reference point A? What is A to C distance? A to C distance 6 meter. 3 plus 3 6 meter. So 6 clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. 6 into 6 meter. Students, A is the reference point. No, therefore from reference point the 6 kilonewton meter distance 6 meter. Therefore 6 into 6. Clockwise means plus, no? Therefore plus 6 into 6. Then see, this is a B point. At B point on couple already is a moment. Already is moment. Kilonewton meter. See here 9 kilonewton. So is a clockwise moment, anti-clockwise moment. A clockwise. So we are taking moment. No, you just add it. Just 9 is enough. No need distance because it's already given moment. Just add it 9. Why I am adding plus 9? Because clockwise. With respect to A, it is a clockwise rotating. See here, students, the additional this problem compare with the other one. Here one couple moment is acting. How do you identify couple moment? If anything like rotating given, that is a unit kilonewton meter given. You consider moment taking only. You are taking moment at A. So with respect to is a clockwise. Okay, therefore just add 9 is enough. Only forces given. You multiply distance. See here 6 kilonewton into distance how much? 6. Force into distance 6 kilometer into 6 meter. But it is a couple moment, already is a moment only given. So you see the direction, based on the direction you have to choose a plus or minus. Here plus, just adding plus 9. Why plus 9? This is a clockwise couple moment. So equal to 0. Therefore RD cos 45 9. Okay, 6 into 6. Okay, the 4 is not coming. So 4 is not unnecessary. Only 6 into 6, 36 plus 9. So 36 plus 9, 45. Students, 36 plus 9, 45. The 4 is mistakenly typed. Students, the 4 is mistakenly typed. So only 6 into 6, 36 plus 9, 45. So I am taking 45 right side, minus 45. Therefore, RD cos 45 into 9 equal to 45. Therefore, 45 divided by 9 cos 45. 9 cos 5 value 6.364. Therefore, 45 divided by 6.364, 7.07 kilonewton. So RD calculated. Therefore, we have equation, no, the second equation, RAY plus RD cos 45. So applying RD value in equation 2. See here, RD in equation 2. What is the equation 2? RAY plus RD cos 45 equals 6. Therefore, RAY plus RD value 7.07 cos 45 equal to 6. So therefore, RAY equal to 6 minus 7.07 cos 45. Therefore, RAY 1 kilonewton. Now we calculate. Already we have equation 1, no? What is equation 1? See here. RX, RD sin 45. RX minus RD. Therefore, again, see here. Again, RD, I apply in equation 1. So here you have equation, 2 equation. Horizontal equation, vertical equation. Now the vertical equation already equation 2. So we calculated that is RAY. Now applying RD value in equation 1. So this equation 1, RX minus RD sin 45. So RX minus RD replaces 7.07. Therefore, the final answer equal to, I am taking this right side, no, right side the minus equal become plus. So RX 7.07 sin 45. What is answer? 5 kilonewton. So we calculated RAX, RAY. So yes, here I want net reaction. Net reaction. Here 2 reaction at you know. So we want net reaction. RA equal to square root of RAX square plus RAY square. RA equal to 5. RAX no 5 kilonewton. RAY, see here RAY 1 kilonewton. Therefore the RA net reaction RA equal to net reaction at A 5.1 kilonewton. The angle 78.7. Okay. Students, any question? Any doubt in this question? Kavi? Kavi?
Sir, no doubt, sir.
So the 9 kilonewton means what? 9 kilonewton meter. You see the picture. 9 kilonewton meter means what? What is the name for that? Asaj, what is the meaning? 9 kilonewton meter meaning. How do you name it? How do you name it? 9 kilonewton meter. Weakness? 9 kilonewton meter. How do you name it? Couple moment. Tell me. Couple moment. Tell me. Couple moment. 6 kilonewton point load. Students, 6 kilonewton point load. Okay. 6 kilonewton point load. When couple moment given, while taking moment only you can consider. Understand? While taking moment only consider. Otherwise, no need consider. Your other equation, no, summation H0, summation V0. That time no need consider 9 kilonewton meter because couple moment. So they given A point is a hinged support. So hinged support having two reaction. So I replace the support with reaction. See here RAX, RAY. Similarly, the roller. The given roller means only one reaction. The angle 45 degree given. Therefore, I converted RD cos 45, RD sin 45. Okay. So we know equilibrium equation. So summation of H equal to 0, summation of B equal to 0, summation M0. Summation of H. No, not S Hertzsprung force acting. S Hertzsprung force acting. What are Hertzsprung forces? RAX plus X direction minus RD sin 45. Therefore, see here RAX minus RD equal to 0. Equation 1. Then now vertical force. Summation of V equal to 0. Summation of what is the sum of vertical 0? RAY plus RD cos 45 minus 6. See here RAY goes to upward direction plus Y. RD cos 5 plus Y direction minus 6 kilonewton. Therefore, the equation 2 RAY plus RD cos 45 DD equal to 6. Now, to each third equation, M equal to 0. I told any moment you have to say with respect to reference point. So I'm choosing A is the reference point. That's why I have written summation A equal to 0. For this type of problem, the support, where the first support, A is the support, no. So at which support you take as a reference point. Then choose which forces gives moment, which forces do not give moment. See the diagram? Any force comes to reference point or goes for a reference point, does not give moment. Here RAX, RAY acting at A, so does not give moment. See here RD acting here, see the arrow mark. The arrow mark goes to here, where? At A point. So RD sin 45 also does not give moment. So what are the balance forces? RD cos 45 is anti-clockwise, no, into 9 meter from reference point A, no, here. So here at the D point is the 9 meter. So force and distance, RD cos 45 into 9 meter. Then 6 into 6 meters. See here clockwise. AC 6 meter, no, 3 plus 3 clockwise. So it's a couple moment, no. So it's clockwise couple, anti-clockwise couple. With respect to it's a clockwise couple. Just add 9 meter. Students, just add 9 meter because already the moment is value given 9 kilonewton meter. Just add it based on the minus plus. Here my plus 9. Why plus 9? Is a clockwise couple. So 6 into 6, 36 plus 9. Say the 4 is unknowingly typed. Neglected. 4 is not here. So 36 plus 9, 45. Therefore, take out this side, minus and minus cancel. Therefore, RD cos 9 into 45. Therefore, RD equal to 45 by 9 cos 45. So RD 7.07 kilonewton. Then RD apply in equation 2. We know equation 2 here. See here, equation 2. So therefore, RAY plus 7.07 cos 45. After simplification, RAY 1 kilonewton. Then RD apply in equation 1. So already we have equation 1, no, Hertzsprung equation here. RAX minus RD sin 45. So we got RD already. Therefore, RD equal to 7.07 in equation 1. Therefore, RAX minus RD sin 45. RD value 7.07 sin 45. Therefore, RAX 5 kilonewton. Then here see here RAX we have RAY. Here RAX, RAY. That is reaction vertical, reaction Hertzsprung at A point. So net reaction at A. Net reaction at A. RAX square plus RAY square, square root of. Then finally we got it. RA equal to 5.1 kilonewton. Tan equal to RAY divided by RAX. Therefore, theta equal to tan inverse of RAY divided by RAX. Okay. Now second equation. Students, explain anyone this one. Read the question. Kavi, read the question. Kavi Raja.
A beam has hinged support at A and roller support at B as shown in the figure. The beam subjected to the to load as shown. Determine analytically the reaction at A and B.
A beam hinged supported here. Students, see here, hinged support shape. See here, A support. No, already I given the diagram. In the see here, pin joint or hinged joint. See the second one shape. So hinged support, two reaction, horizontal vertical. So A at a hinged support. Then roller support at B. So roller also here also incline they given roller support. So support reaction goes to at B point. So angle also given 30 degree. Determine analytically reaction at A and B. What is reaction A and what is a B? To find RA and RB. So see the diagram. Take out the same diagram. So at a hinged support, no, A is a hinged support. Therefore, two reactions here. RAX, RAY. RAX, RAY. Here roller support. Roller support is incline, no? It goes to P point with this vertical. Theta is with the vertical. Therefore, see here. RB cos 30, RB sin 30. Roller support means only one reaction. Students, only one reaction. Therefore, incline to the given 30 degree with the vertical. Therefore, RB cos 30. Second quadrant, no? You see here RB goes to second quadrant. Theta is vertical. Students, theta is vertical. Therefore, which axis is vertical? That axis having cos. See here. RB cos 30. Theta is vertical. That y direction only cos. Okay, therefore, theta not. Otherwise, therefore, RB sin 30. So we resolved. At A point, hinged support. Therefore, I mentioned RAX, RAY. Then RB roller support. The roller is inclined with this vertical. Therefore, RB cos 30, RB sin 30. See here, one 12 kN. Students at E point. So 12 is inclined, no? 12 kN incline. It goes to which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Students, it goes to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means what? X minus, X plus, Y minus. Fourth quadrant, no? X plus, Y minus. So theta also X axis. Therefore, 12 cos 30. 12 cos 30 plus X direction. 12 sin 30, vertical downward direction, Y direction. See here. I converted. 12 is a fourth quadrant. You see the arrow mark, fourth quadrant, no? That's why I converted X plus 12 cos 30 plus X direction, 12 sin 30, vertical downward direction. So this is called a free body diagram. Free body. We remove the support and it is denoted by force and reaction only. So we know equilibrium equation. Sum is now H equal to 0, sum is now V equal to 0. See, horizontal force acting. See, I typed mistakenly. Yes, horizontal force acting. What are horizontal force? See the diagram. See the diagram. What is the horizontal forces? RAX. Students, RAX plus RAX plus 12 cos 30 plus X direction. No. See the arrow mark, the block horizontal direction. So RAX plus 12 cos 30. Then see here RB sin 30. Students, RB sin 30, left side minus. Therefore, RAX minus RB sin 30 plus 3. Why 3? Yeah, here I'll see here at a D point. D point, no, horizontal reacts, horizontal force 3. 3 is the horizontal, no. So plus 3 plus 12 cos 30 equal to 0. Therefore, RAX, what is sin 30 value? 0.5 minus 0.5 RB plus 3, 12 cos 30 value 10.39. So adding 3 plus 10.39, 13.39. I'm taking right side. So right side minus, no, here plus or minus. Therefore, RAX minus 0.5 RB equal to minus 13.39. Equation 1. Now you have to use equation 2. Summation V equal to 0. What are the forces vertical? See here. RAY plus Y direction. RB cos 30 plus Y direction. Minus 9 minus 12 sin 30. Vertical downward. Therefore, I have written, see here. RAY plus RAY plus RB cos 30 minus 12 sin 30 minus 9. See the picture. Minus 9 minus 12 sin 30 plus RAY plus RB cos 30. Then after simply 12 sin 30 means 6. Sin 30 0.5. Therefore 0.5 into 12 6. So minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. So take our right side. Therefore RAY plus RB cos 30 15. Equation 2. So we applied summation H0, summation V0, we got two equations. Now taking moment. Students, I told you again. Taking moment, always choose the first support. Which support the first support? A point is the first support. Okay, A point is the first support. So I have chosen A, that's why I have written MA equal to 0. Why I told you know, what are the forces? You have to find which force do not give moment, which force gives moment. Any force comes to A, see here at A point. What are the forces comes to A? Already Rex there. Then Ray there. So Rx and Ray does not give moment. Similarly, the RB sin theta, students, the RB sin theta also acting here, but it goes to A point. So RB sin theta also not given. Similarly, 12 cos theta. See, the 12 cos theta, I located upward some distance. Actually, distance there, but the distance they did not given. No, that's why the 12 cos theta also does not give moment. It takes a line. Say 12 cos theta also some distance from A, but the thickness not given. So 12 cos theta also not given moment. Students, while taking moment, you choose a reference point. I am taken reference point A. Why I am taking reference point? Here support is there. Therefore, Rax does not give moment. Ray does not give moment. Then RB sin theta. Why RB sin theta does not give moment? It goes to the A point. Similarly, 12 cos theta, it also horizontal. The arrow mark like a goes from A point only. Then only we no need gives a moment. 12 cos theta. What other forces? See the diagram. With respect to A, students, with respect to A, I am taking moment. See here, RB cos theta. RB cos theta rotating anti-clockwise. I yesterday told you know, put your thumb finger at A. Put your thumb finger at A and index finger cos theta. RB cos theta. Just rotate. Arrow mark. Where it goes to it? It goes to the upward. See here, RB is there. Therefore, anti-clockwise. What is the distance? A to B. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Therefore, see here, minus. Minus means anti-clockwise. So, RB cos 39. Then come to here at E point. E point, 12 sin 30 here. Perpendicular with respect to A. So, 12 sin 30 into distance, how much? 3 meter distance. Therefore, plus. Plus means clockwise. 12 sin 30 3. See, similar, see the 9 kilonewton. Students, 9 kilonewton. What A to F? What is A to F distance? 3 plus 3. So 9. 3 plus 3, 6. So force 9. So what clockwise? 9 into 6. See here, 9 into 6. Clockwise. Similarly, see here D point. Students, D point. D point 3 kilometer acting at horizontal. Not exactly A towards A. There's a distance 3 meter there here. What is A to D distance? Vertical. A to D vertical distance, not inclined distance. Vertical distance how much? CD equal to AD vertical. Therefore 3 meter. 3 kilometer also at a D point. With respect to A is perpendicular, no, with respect to A. Therefore 3 into 3. That is CD distance 3 meter. CD distance 3 meter. So 3 into 3, therefore 9. Now I simplify again. Minus RB cos 30 plus 9 into 9 plus 12 sin 30 into 3. What is sin 30? 0.5. 0.5 into 12. 0.5 into 12, how much? 6. Therefore 3 into 6, 18. 6 into 9, 54. 3 into 3, 9. Then you have to simplify this one. 18 plus 54. 72. Yes, 72 plus 9, 81. Take out right side, minus 81. Therefore, minus minus cancel. RD cos 80 into 9 equal to 81. What is 80 RB? 81 divided by 9 cos 60. Therefore, RB equal to 10.392 kilonewton. So we got RB. Now see the equation 2. RAY plus RB cos 30 equal to 50. No. Therefore, I am applying equation 2. RB cos 30. So I replace RB 10.392. Therefore, RAY equal to 15 minus 10.392 cos 30. RAY equal to 6 kilonewton. So already we have equation 1 also. So RB already calculated. See equation 1. I'm going using equation 1. RAX minus 0.5 RB equal to minus 13.39. See here, equation 1. RAX minus 0.5 RB equal to minus 13.39. So RB value, 10.392. 0.5 into 10.392 minus 5.1196 equal to minus 13.33. Therefore, REX, I take out minus 5.196, take out plus. Therefore, minus 13.39 plus 5.196. REX 8.194 minus. So we see here REX is there, REY. So I want to REA reaction TA. So I replace in 2 reaction into single reaction, REY, REX. We have formula square root of REX plus REY squared. Therefore, what is REX? Minus 8.194. What is REY? 6. Okay. Therefore, RE equal to 10.392 16 kilonewton. Understand? Now tan theta equal to RAY divided by RAX. I think the RAY means 6 here, but I typed it wrongly. 6 divided by 8.196. RAX no, RAY how much? 6 no. So RAY, RAX 6, RAX 8.196, RAY 6. So we got it 53.8 degree. I will change this one. I send it to you. Okay. The previous problem also the some small changes. See here RAY, but RAY 1. 1 did I find? No. So I will change it. Students, any doubt here? Kavi, can you explain this diagram based on this? See the diagram. Can you explain? Vignesh, are you there? Vignesh. Vicky, Kavi, or you understand this problem? Any question? Class representative? Any question?
So no, sir.
See, whatever force is given, just see the what which is horizontal or vertical, whether giving moment or not giving moment. See, here 3 is acting at a D point, but our A point here. So see the vertical distance only, not in diagonal distance. See the vertical distance. A to D, how much? Just to project, 3 is projected here directly. What is A to D? 3 meter. So 3 into 3. That's why I have written here. Moment taking, no? 3 into 3. The 3 means height. CD distance. CD equal to AD. AD means is the vertical. Just think about vertical. Perpendicular, no, 3 kilometer. Okay. We will take a moment. You have to consider all forces and also see the forces away from the reference point. Yeah, yes, the 3 kilometer away from the reference point. What is the height A to D? 3 meter. So 3 into 3. See here, the last 3 into 3. So clockwise means plus, anti-clockwise means negative. So we solved. Then we have RAX, RAY, no? Therefore, net resultant, that's the resultant reaction. RA equal to square root of RAX square plus RAY square minus RA X. So after square, RA equal to 10.16 kilonewton. Now come to here. Come to here. Read the question. Read this question. Class rep, read the question.
A beam AB of 6 meter span is loaded as shown in the figure. Determine the reactions at A and B.
Very simple question. See the A is which is support? Hinged support. See the shape is hinged support. See the B, roller support. So 2 meter distance given. Students, they asked RA and RB. So 5 kilonewton, 1 point load is acting. On UDL, 1.5 kilonewton, 2 meter distance. 1.5 kilonewton, 2 meter distance, students. Okay. Then the 4 kilonewton is inclined. Say angle 135. Students, 135. So A is the hinged support. See the shape, hinged support. So 2 reactions here. RAX, RAY. Then 1 point load, 5 kilonewton. So the UDL, no, I told you any UDL is acting, consider rectangular area. Therefore 1.5 into 2, how much? 1.5 into 2 means 3, no? So 3 kilometer, where it is acting? The middle of the 2. Therefore I divided 1 meter distance, middle of the 2, 1 meter. See here, the angle 135 given. So for our solving problem, I divided. So with 1 quarter 90 degree, no, see here, 1 quarter 90 degree. What is the balance angle? 45. So this force goes which direction? See the arrow mark. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means what? X plus Y minus. So theta with respect to vertical. Students, with respect to vertical. Therefore, here vertical component 4 cos 45. Y cos I putting. The angle is along vertical. So 4 cos 45 minus Y direction. That is a minus vertical downward direction. Then 4 sin 45 is goes to X direction plus X. Because this force goes to the fourth quadrant. Here roller support. Roller support means only one reaction. RB. See here RB. Very simple question. Students, they did not mention That's why I have given every day I am recollecting the previous support. See the shape. It's a roller support. This is a pin joint or hinge joint. No, that's why the shape is given here. That's a two reaction. Yeah, it's a two reaction. Hinged support. RAX, RAY. Roller support. RB. One point load. So point load given, no need worry. Just right there, 5 kilonewton. One UDL given. See here, EDL, CD, UDL, no. So you have to convert point load. How do you convert uniform distributed rectangular load? 1.5 into 2, 3 kilonewton. Where it is acting? Middle of the rectangular, 2 meter half, 1 meter, 1 meter. See, this force 135 given. For our solving problem, I converted into with this particular writing. So totally 19, no, 1 quarter 19. What is the balance angle? 45 degree. So it goes to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means X positive, Y negative. So your theta is along the Y axis. So that axis cos component, 4 cos 45, 4 sin 45. We know equilibrium equations. Summation 0, summation which, so you know, yes, Cartesian forces. I mistakenly typed no. Yes, Cartesian forces. What are Cartesian forces? See the diagram. RAX. Students, RAX. 4 sin 45. See here, RAX. 4 sin 45. Here plus, I mistakenly typed minus. Okay. You say RAX plus 4 sin 45. Because goes to positive, no? Positive x-axis. I will recorrect it. Okay. RAX plus 4 sin 45. So take note, therefore Ix minus, so minus 2.83 RAX value. Then summation of vertical direction. See what are vertical direction? RAY plus RAY plus RB minus 5 minus 3 minus 4 cos 45. See here. RAY positive, RAY positive, RB positive plus Y direction, no, RB positive. Minus 5 minus 3 minus cos 45. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 cos 45. So after simplifying, therefore we have equation RAY plus RB equal 10.83. Equation 1. Now taking moment, we are using third equation, M equal to 0. Which is the reference point? A point. Told you know, first to support, A is a support. So I'm taking with respect to A. Summation of A equal to 0. Taking moment with respect to A. So you have which forces do not give moment? Any force comes to the A or goes from A. See here. RAX does not give moment. RAY does not give moment. Then 4 sin 45 also. See, 4 sin 45 acting here, but the line of action from A only. From starting A only. Therefore, 4 sin 45 does not give moment. Then what are the other forces? Then RB into, what is the distance? Total distance. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Anti-clockwise, no? RB into 6 minus. Then 5 into 2. See here, C point. 5 into 2 clockwise. With respect to A. Students, with respect to A. What is the C distance? 2 meter. Therefore, 5 into 2. Then 3 kilometer at E point. What is the distance? 2 plus 1. The AC 2 meter. Then CE 1 meter. Therefore, 3 into 3. Clockwise, no? 3 into 3. Clockwise. Then 4 cos 45. 4 cos 45. A to D distance. What is A to D distance? 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is 4 meter. Therefore, 4 cos 45 into 4. Equal to 0. See, equilibrium equation, yeah. So, you finally write equal to 0. Then, after simplifying this one, you will get RB equal to that to 5.05 kilonewton. So we have equation 1 now. See here, equation 1. We want RAY. Therefore, after applying this one, therefore RAY equal to 10.83 plus RB 5.05. Therefore minus RAY equal to 10.83 minus 5.05. So 5.78. So we have RAY, here RAX, here RAX. So I want RA. Here RAX, RAY, you know. So I replaced RA. Therefore square root of RAX square plus RAY square. See, in the diagram, only 2 reactions. So I want to say single reaction at A. That's why we apply resultant method. We want RA, reaction at A. Here RB only one reaction. So no need calculate anything. Just to keep it RB. Okay. So here RA, we know RA equals to RAX plus RAY square. So after simplifying this one, okay. Now this is correct. RAY, tan is no. RAY divided by RAX. RAY 5.78. 5.78 divided by RA. What is RA? RAX 2.83. See here. RA is inclined. No, the reaction is inclined. I converted. RAX, RAY, this is reaction, but I made a single reaction. Students, any question? So we discussed today very simple problem, but different. We have to see the shape and everything. Here 135. So I converted into 45. See, just imagine how I converted 45. Just I made a 90 degree already over. So I made a vertical line. So 90 over, balance 45. It goes to fourth quadrant. Therefore 4 cos 45, 4 sin 45. Yes? Okay. This is the support name not mentioned, but we know support name. The B point having roller, no, roller means only one reaction. A means Kinshit support, so two reactions. Here RAX, RAY. Very simple. After drawing the paper, see the color. See, this explanation not available in your book. Students, this explanation not available in your book. I made step by step procedure for your understanding. Okay. Here also, don't see, don't get fear after seeing the diagram. Oh, what is this one? Just see this here. A is the Kinshit support. Therefore, two reaction. RAX, RAY. This roller inclined, the angle vertical given. So roller means only one reaction. Therefore, RB vertical 30. I resolved two direction. RB cos 30, RB sin 30. Then adding forces, horizontal direction, vertical direction. Taking moment, support TA. In this problem, what different? Because the couple moment. Students, this name 9 kilo couple moment. When you have to consider couple moment, only taking moment. See here, taking moment means just add the value. Don't consider any distance. Because already the value is a moment value. Clockwise couple, no. That's why I add just plus 9. See here, plus 9. Why? Clockwise couple. But others here, 6 into 6. Portion distance, but it's already the value given, moment value. If suppose anti-clockwise mean take minus 9. Okay. So today also we finished support reaction problems. So in the coming class, I am going to solve all type of first unit problem, second unit problem. Then what is the difference first unit or second unit? I will give the formulas, difference formula. Then we will solve it. Okay.